Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 26th, our word of the day is indelible. I-N-D-E-L-I-B-L-E. Indelible. Indelible is a 9-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Indelible means impossible to remove, erase, or wash away. In other words, permanent. Similar words include lasting, enduring, ineradicable, ineffaceable, inexpungible, inextirpable, permanent. Examples of sentences using indelible are: before I left for camp, my mother wrote my name inside all of my clothes in indelible ink. The blood had left an indelible mark on her shirt. Voters will have their fingers marked with indelible ink to avoid repeat ballots. Her words left an indelible impression on me for years to come. These social divisions are deep-seated but not indelible. I have an indelible memory of that meeting with Anastasia. Make sure to save this new word, indelible, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!